Good morning, student. Yesterday we have seen how the refraction of light occurs when it passes through the prism. है ना? So prism has three lateral surfaces, rectangular lateral surfaces, and two triangular surfaces. Then we have put that prism on the white paper. Then sketch the boundary. Then with the help of pins, we have proved that the ray of light passing through the prism undergoes refraction at two places, and there is development of angle of deviation also. So all these points we have covered in previous period. Have you understood that? Very good. So like my channel, Kotti Science Academy, and share it with your friends so that they will also study very well, and click the bell so that you will know the upcoming videos. Okay, thank you. Now today we have to say dispersion of light. Today we have to say dispersion of light. What is dispersion of light? Splitting of white light into 7 component colors. White light comes uniting 7 colors. Then these 7 colors are split up into this white light is split up into 7 different colors. This phenomenon we call it as dispersion. तो व्हाइट लाइट एक साथ आया और जैसे प्रिज्म से पास ऑन हो गया, क्या हो गया अपनो व्हाइट लाइट के 7 अलग अलग कंपोनेंट्स सेपरेट हो गए, एंड दैट कैन बी ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन द स्क्रीन दैट देयर आर 7 डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स प्रेजेंट इन द व्हाइट लाइट. So this phenomenon we call dispersion of light. What is dispersion of light? The splitting of a white light into its 7 component colors. Splitting of a white light into 7 component colors is called as dispersion of light. Who studied first this? Newton is the first scientist who demonstrate the dispersion. डिस्पर्शन को डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करने वाले पहले साइंटिस्ट कौन थे? न्यूटन थे. ठीक है. हाउ टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट? By easy experiment we can demonstrate these in the classroom itself. So how to obtain the white light? So allow this sunlight to fall on a mirror. When the sunlight fall on the mirror, what will happen? Mirror will reflect that sunlight. Mirror will reflect the sunlight. The reflected sunlight then passes through the narrow slit. The reflected sunlight will pass through the narrow slit. Now how to get narrow slit? You have to take a hardboard and pierce a very small pinhole into it. So when the white light is allowed to pass through this cardboard, all of the cardboard will stop the light, only the pinhole will pass the light, and a very, very narrow beam of light is obtained. Okay, so this narrow beam of light is then passed on to the inclined surface of the prism. Now, as you know, prism will refract the light. So if the prism was absent here, if we assume that prism was absent over here, what will happen? The light will pass straight away by this dotted line direction. But as the prism is present, prism होने के वजह से क्या हुआ? Light will split up into 7 colors. Light क्या करेगा? 7 कलर में split up हो जाएगा, है ना? So see here, so all 7 colors we obtain over here. So unitedly, all 7 colors combinedly pass through the air, but when it passes through the prism material, they have different velocities. And as they have different velocities, the change in velocity of the red is less and change in velocity of the violet is most. That's why they get separated and pass on to the prism. ठीक है. जैसे आप कोई बाइसिकल से कहीं टूर के लिए निकले क्लास से, है ना, अभी सभी इस बाइसिकल की अगर स्पीड अलग अलग रही, सभी बच्चों के बाइसिकल की स्पीड अलग अलग रही, तो क्या होगा बोलो? ऑल दे विल बी नॉट बी यूनाइटेडली पासिंग यूनाइटेडली थ्रू द एरिया, दे विल बी एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. उसी प्रकार यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? ये जो व्हाइट लाइट एक साथ आ गया और जैसे प्रिज्म मटेरियल से पास हुआ तो उनकी सबकी वेलोसिटी अलग अलग हो गई, इसलिए रेड जो है कम से कम रिफ्रैक्ट हुआ और वायलेट जो सबसे ज्यादा रिफ्रैक्ट हुआ. And all these 7 colors are separated from here. Now it passes from where? The prism material to air again, so again there will be refraction, and finally you will obtain band of 7 colors. you will obtain the band of 7 colors. What are their individual names? Individual names are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So how many colors we obtained? 7 colors are obtained. How to remember the name? Easily name can be remembered as acronym VIBGYOR, VIBGYOR. Pronounce it as VIBGYOR and you will be remembering name of all the colors VIBGYOR, VIBGYOR. ठीक है? Which is the most dispersed light? Violet. Bended light? Violet. So who has changed the most direction? Violet. So which direction is least change? The red. है ना? So least red light bends the least, whereas the red light bends the least, whereas the blue light, violet light bend the most. Who is bending most? The violet light is bending most, whereas red light is bending least. So this phenomenon we called as dispersion. क्या नाम देंगे इस phenomenon का? Dispersion. ठीक है? So what we are doing? Again recapture. We have passed on the light on where? On the mirror. Mirror will reflect light और mirror की direction change करके हम उसको particularly कहाँ pass करेंगे बोलो? We'll pass the narrow slit of cardboard. Then after passing through narrow slit of cardboard, it will pass on inclinedly to the prism. Prism will disperse this white light into 7 component colors. These 7 component colors are VIBGYOR. So this phenomenon we call it as dispersion of light. So white light is dispersed into 7 colors. If instead of white light other light is there, it will be again split up into different colors. So this we call it as spectrum. एक आधे लाइट का अलग अलग कलर में सेपरेशन करना, उसको क्या बोलेंगे अपन? स्पेक्ट्रम. समझ में आया क्या? जैसे मैंने लिमोनाइड लिया तो उसमें क्या है? वाटर है, देन लेमन जूस है, देन शुगर है, देन